Yeah. Stick a beat. Yeah. Stick a.
Yo,
Yeah.
spark fly.
Oh, it's kind of my boy.
Man.
Kind of my boy.
Yo, innit?
I'm so
Easy.
kind
Boy, man. For this, man.
I understand.
It is what it is.
Looking for
You,
searching
bro.
for money, we know good man.
Man, I
Say
said,
this,
Oh,
yeah.
I got you.
yeah, one side. One
We
side.
dey
One
looking for
side.
Okay,
one
you're
searching
back,
for
you
money,
can
we
That's
know
what it is,
good
man.
Speed up,
That's my
bro.
fly game, man.
Wow, babe, so fine.
Your friend, Princess of Concomba.
What?
Concomba Princess.
Concomba Princess. Princess of Concomba.
I feel it.
Wow. Babe, I'm also Prince, but they call me arrested. Venice, okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, it is what it is.
So now, who could you man? What's it?
I swear, man. I
Papa,
swear.
that's over.
Yeah.
Who can Papa?
Yeah. Man got do, innit? I'm gonna bang her, innit?
I see everything.
Yeah.
That's why they envy you, bro.
Bro.
Babe, so fine, exquisite, good looking, pretty, and everything.
Man.
Wow, damn fuck.
Uncle, you is that.
Bro, whoa.
I swear.
We got come.
Come on for them.
Hey, stand at you.
Come on for them.
Hey, wait, you know,
You're listening to the works of Amagidon.
Yo, the fly boy, man. Man is always looking fly, innit?
Stand, I'm not in the mood to speak any
Yo,
English,
bro. Now I see like that.
I
I
didn't say. So be able to there.
Oh, baby, I will call.
Yes,
Yo.
I will.
Introduction, man. This is my pretty Sefigina queen.
Oh, stop.
What?
Yes, Sefigina
Gina say queen.
princess.
I'm from Western North.
Sefigina.
Yeah.
Sefigina.
Okay,
Pepper ne so
stop
honum.
it.
Ne ma me din di 15. Oye do say Sefigina station wo Kwame Kalu a filling station. O so pe 15.
On 5.
15. O ma me no ade bi oton bia 15.
Like seriously. Wow. Babe, nice meeting
You're
you.
welcome,
I'm
boss.
Prince.
I'm Jennifer.
Okay.
So you know what it means, man. What do you got to say about my pretty queen here, yeah?
Bro, she's fine.
She's looking pink, man. I got to go inside. You know what it is, man.
Alright, JC.
Alright.
Sefigina so queen, man. Yes, dear. Yo, I'll go.
I'll start being.
Start banging, start banging.
Who still been how you should be on the phone?
Don't panic when the boys are rushing.
Hi.
Don't panic.
I always remind you, there's some voice at the back too, you understand?
Don't panic.
The one voice at the back.
Any man. Manga do.
Like you. I'm not looking good. Me who you feel now? Boy, I be watching for one, watching for girls. Because me team she shake it, she na book it, she na more. And I started to say some season, where's the old way you format to? Because and now I could see her, and then I draw. No style better, no. Hey. How might know that way her crowd?
You're listening to the works of Amagidon.
Super.
Stand up, my boy.
Man, I fought Charlie. Last time tracking on a boy, I didn't know when tracking on.
You may never hear you blood paper.
Hey, bro. I promise you, say in the next 2 years, no, Ghana be artists no be no be drew.
I understand. You can
Trust me.
Ha,
bro.
Charlie.
Hello.
Babe.
Abna is my name.
Abena.
She's
Yeah.
from the London, yeah?
London.
Fly girl, man.
Okay.
Abena Pokua. You know what I mean? I swear, she's the girl. I just want to take her to the altar for her to say, babes, will you marry me? Yes, I do. She's
Bro.
the altar girl, man.
Let me say.
Bibi Amoko.
Oh, you okay, pa?
About, you know.
And I draw frame. What's up,
yo,
Kana
yo,
Yari?
yo,
No, wait.
yo.
Yeah. Oh, me ba. Okay, don't rush, okay. Hey, I draw frame. I say Kana Yari.
I draw bang, I cry bang.
Oh, get out anyway. Now, a million story later on. What's up to you?
Bro, now many are key. I know about baby, man. You know,
Oh,
it doesn't matter, man.
So, boss, babe, there's a lot to tell you, okay?
Yo, be a
I'm
virgin.
interested. I'm interested.
Yeah. So, bro,
Yo.
what this step I'm saying, I'm so like, what about me? No, be doing come on.
Okay.
Everything cool.
Oh, why not? Be very cool. Yeah,
Bro, now what take you undo no there? Go no do now
Yeah,
What?
On no nyina.
GRSTV.
So what's people know you come on, bro.
Hello, GRSTV.
Chill. This guy just want to embarrass
Huh?
me. Yo,
What take you do now?
yo, be a Reggie, man. Why do you envy, man?
I'm not envy, bro. Maybe someone me drone no and there be as a question, bro.
A draw bang. Ah.
And let me know me no to other refugee na. I don't know where. Maybe so say me say your life. Oh, come on, your life. Come on, bro.
Babe, he just killed.
Nah, bro, I can't stand up. You touch and start better no. Go na when you know like you're my brother, you understand? I love you so much. Or something protect you.
Excuse me. Or you only so when I say
Oh, yeah,
right. Listen. Stay cool, man. Calm nerve, man.
Bro, be real. When him say we are real, I've had it in that say we fake you up. They no. But when him so also deny say like only go no right. All right. And I'm very surprised you.
Okay.
Because girls be has your omo areas or my bar on am any tuya.
What?
Like but I complaining last week say ne won ba oba na oni fie. I was like, wow, like seriously. Et you know so some boy on my bar engineer was my phone nya so mbra. They will come here soon my from.
Bro, so you knew say I was going to bring somebody and then I'll person embarrassing.
It's embarrassing.
Yo, you live in a fake life, man.
I can't lose you, bro.
You should say you owe me rub, bro.
I can't lose you, bro. See,
bro. Maintain your distance. Now, when you're real, now person for your real mommy.
Baby girl.
Wow, here they come.
You know how much I love
Here they come.
You know how much I love
Don't
you.
come closer.
You know how much I love you.
Stand
You are my
up.
only
About the
babe.
love.
I
You
don't
are
love.
sick.
Hello.
Stana.
Onya ho.
Honey.
I bet say you know Empire Night Club now.
Stana.
Hey.
So he wasn't lying.
Why? Babe.
Stana. Where from this lady?
Where from this lady, man? She's as you are, man.
She's who? What?
Nah,
Be specific.
She's a London girl, man, and she's as you are, man. So it is what it is.
As we are, like what?
Medical.
What's happening here? Like.
So you crossing this, sir? Me intimacy come from Mauno. Now, when Sabre, me, I mean, Tabrisi can show now when you say now, San Jimmy, Shimia. Say, go on, the mammy.
Are you serious?
Go on, I'm the sick at all. Huh? Go on, I'm the sick at all. From sick and mammy. And this Italian, I shall make Rossi see.
Listen.
Go no.
What is
that?
Maybe the initial says
So I think time. I need to tell you, bro.
no,
but why didn't you girls protect yourself?
I don't know.
Stana.
it? Me
Are you okay now?
Nah,
So
me
what
go,
to-
na mami. Me too so far size.
So you be a man in Trinity.
Me cannot all say, Casa.
Stana, you know what?
What disappoint me, ba?
She didn't cry, okay?
Sika be brave, babe.
Don't shed
E
tears.
chan koto ba kotu shop ni mo ate. Nsi wo bio. Ntale ma ta mo so fa mit mi nyama na bla
I'm
me.
single and ready to mingle to be.
Nti sa samyare.
apart from Emma Pen, dear no you good one.
Man, Miss Sevu Mexica.
Where there?
Miss Sevu Mexica.
We are back.
Yeah, I'm like a bank.
The next time I'll be home. Obet me say crano. Me de mensa ba wo yim. Kasa me da se.
I say Kaseme that safe, man.
Come back.
Na wo. Me ko tua sika pa ma radio station for no mo gu ani ma se o Ghana ya nyina.
It's boring.
So wo go no. Wo is. Yare ameki kan to so no. Unhu baby kra no ahwe wanyim da. Crossing your head.
Bro. Oh. That is what it is, you know. Babe.
Yeah, my migraine is bad. I don't want to stand here because drama is like cause anytime.
Oh, okay.
So you know what? Thank you very much.
Oh, you're always welcome.
Victim.
You're always warmly welcome, babe. Please, can I get your contact?
Babes,
Sure.
you know what it is, man.
Hey, man, keep quiet. Shut up, my friend. When you go, no coach, you know, concert.
You can call me anytime, okay?
All right, babe.
Thank you.
You're always welcome, babe. Not welcome alone, but warmly welcome, okay? All right. I'm gonna go. So what's up,
You wanna be a snitch, bro? I bought this phone for you, bro. You wanna be a snitch?
Yeah.